looking absolutely delicious, Leanne. But right now, we're looking at something slightly more delicious for the ladies. We've got our 3 hunks in studio. We've got Bob and Bella, and we've got Ansi, who's going to explain how we're going to do this human obstacle course. Ladies, we don't really care what it looks like, because it's just going to look yummy. Just saying. So guys, come in.
Okay,
Right.
you've been briefed, so you're taking up the position there and there.
Okay.
And Ewan, you're going to do something really fancy, like
All right, I need to think about this one, yeah.
you're going to sit on the floor.
I'm going to sit on the floor.
Sit on the floor.
Are we doing?
Put your knees up.
Is this the A-frame?
Not yet. The first one first. Leave. Yes,
Okay.
good dog. And -1 dog first.
Minus.
And
So you just got to X.
Hey,
Okay, is this good?
that's brilliant. So we're going to go
brilliant, Ewan.
underneath
Thank you.
Okay,
Just be
so this is for the family who wants to be a real happy family and have happy dogs.
I need a family like this in my life.
Because the more you play with dogs and the more you do things with them, the closer the bond becomes, and it's great when you can get the whole family vibe going. Okay. I said, Bobby, that's the wrong place. Come on. I said, Bobby, let's go. Bobby, go
love this
through.
position of
Yeah,
it.
good job, Bobby. Yay. And
You make it
Bobby,
work, dude. You
go
make it
through,
work.
through. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Bobby,
Come on,
go
go
through.
through.
Yeah. A-frame. Bobby, over.
Engage.
We like this position.
Bobby, leave. Bobby, leave.
I think I've got the
I don't know how long I can hold this.
Coming. Bobby,
Don't take any liberties,
over.
Bob. It's
Yeah,
working
good
like
job.
glutes.
Okay, Bobby, you're going to go up.
Come on, boy.
Come on, Bobby.
Come
up.
on, boy.
Up. Come on, Bobby.
Come on, Bobby, you can do it.
Come on, Bobby, up. Come on, Bobby.
Come on, Bobby.
Graham, drop your hips, dude.
Come on.
Come on, Bobby.
I think you just dominated
Okay,
me.
let's go this
That's
way.
all he did there.
Yeah, good dog. Come on, Bobby.
Oh,
Come
no,
on,
Bobby. Oh,
Come
no.
on, Bobby.
Get a nice
Come on, Bobby. You can do this.
Oh, man, like a kung fu match on my back.
Yeah, good dog, Bobby.
Nice,
Come on,
boys.
Bobby. Come on, Bobs. Okay, we'll try Bella. Okay, let's go do Bella. Where's Bella?
Stay there.
Hold on to
You guys need to stay there, don't you?
Okay, here we go. Ready?
I win. Now the sideways hoop.
Okay, here we go
Ladies,
again.
you
Ready
need to
and...
understand this is not
I've
a
got a
competition. This is about family bonding.
It's always a competition.
Come on.
No, it's family bonding, guys.
We got it all wrong. Are we doing this
Yes, a good
sideways?
job. Yes, a good job.
Oh, look at you guys.
Ready?
Yeah, we've got Bella being a little bit more resistant.
Oh, well done.
There we go.
Prize, you little hooligan.
Leave. Okay. Yay! Good. Where's my frame?
Hey, friend,
My frame.
crouch,
My
touch,
frame.
engage.
Come on. Engage. Yay!
Well done.
Guys, now, if you guys want to have fun, you need to have amazing dogs like Bob and Bella, first of all. And you need to have 3 of the hottest men in South Africa to play this game. But right now, I need to take a breather because there's too much testosterone in the studio. I'm dying here. See you after this.
Share the love with South Africa's most loved dog food, Bobtail, for strong South African dogs.